Alvin Cooper III, owner of CStyled, and I'm a haberdasher, which basically means that I do custom clothing for guys, and I am based in Denver, but I'm mobile, so I can meet my clients pretty much anywhere. So the biggest difference in my business since COVID-19 hit is for all my local clients, I used to see them face to face, whether it be in their office or for a cocktail or on the golf course or happy hour or whatever. And now it's all via Zoom meetings, text, and email. So it's not really as fun as it used to be, but I pretty much have to treat the in-state guys as I do my out-of-state clients. So we can all obviously stay safe and still keep things moving, because guys still need to wear clothes even though we're working from home. So some things that I've definitely done to overcome some of the challenges with not being face-to-face is, spending a little more time doing some social media things, working on, actually right now in the process of a new website, and then really just focusing on getting clients some additional information via email and creating e-newsletters and things like that honestly I didn't make the time for in the past. So it's allowed me to really kind of take a step back, so that once we're kind of back to normal or whatever that new normal might be, I'm better positioned to help my clients with their wardrobe going forward. I think the biggest thing for people to know is, I'm still in business, still doing business, and I've got a lot of clients that have, started working from home obviously through this process, and so they still need things to wear, and a lot of guys have moved from the traditional suits to more casual wear, and so I do custom casual stuff, which is nice. I mean, instead of showing up on your Zoom calls in a t-shirt and sweatpants, be more professional, step up and put on a nice knit and a chino or something like that. They're still comfortable, but definitely allow you to still have that professional image. And for those guys who are now on the essential, still working from the office part-time, those guys still need nice clothes, and so I can still help them, whether it be in person or doing things virtually. And we can even do some virtual measurements by with a significant other or a spouse or whatever that looks like for them. So I've picked up probably half a dozen or so new clients through this process, just because guys now have a new normal and need to figure out kind of what does that look like professionally. So if you're a guy who hates to shop and needs help with your wardrobe, give me a call at 303-522-8659, or also visit me at CStyled.com, and I can come to you and make your wardrobe needs easy and efficient.